In recent years, the conversation around cancer has expanded beyond traditional treatments to include the significant role of diet in prevention and recovery. Research shows that certain foods possess properties that can help combat cancer, making nutrition a vital component of a holistic approach to health. This video will delve into the fascinating world of cancer-killing foods, highlighting how what we eat can influence our body's ability to fight off this disease. Imagine being able to harness the power of nature to boost your immune system and reduce your risk of cancer. From vibrant fruits and vegetables to nutrient-dense grains and spices, the right foods can play a crucial role in your wellness journey. Join us as we explore specific foods that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also pack a punch against cancer. Get ready to discover how simple dietary changes can make a significant impact on your health and well-being. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and kale are powerhouses of nutrition that offer remarkable benefits in the fight against cancer. These vibrant greens are rich in glucosinolates, compounds that have been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth and promote detoxification in the body. By including these vegetables in your diet, you're not just adding color to your plate, you're also giving your body the tools it needs to combat disease. Incorporating cruciferous vegetables into your meals is easier than you might think. Toss fresh kale into a hearty salad, blending it with other nutrient-dense ingredients like nuts and seeds for added crunch. Alternatively, steam or sauté broccoli and add it to stir-fries for a delicious and nutritious boost. You can even blend these veggies into smoothies for a quick, health-packed breakfast. By making cruciferous vegetables a staple in your balanced diet, you're taking a proactive step toward enhancing your overall health and reducing cancer risk. Berries are not just delicious, they are also packed with powerful cancer-fighting properties. Rich in antioxidants, these tiny fruits help protect our cells from oxidative stress and damage, which can lead to cancer development. Antioxidants like anthocyanins, found in blueberries and vitamin C in strawberries, play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Blueberries, often hailed as a superfood, are particularly noted for their ability to enhance immune function and reduce inflammation. Strawberries, on the other hand, are loaded with fiber and essential vitamins, making them a fantastic addition to any diet. Incorporating berries into your daily routine is simple and enjoyable. They make for a perfect snack on their own, or can be blended into smoothies for a refreshing treat. You can also add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for an extra burst of flavor and nutrition. By enjoying a variety of berries, you're not only satisfying your sweet tooth, but also taking a proactive step toward better health. Fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, are not only delicious, but also play a significant role in cancer prevention. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation in the body, omega-3s can help lower the risk of cancer and support overall health. Regular consumption of fatty fish can contribute to heart health, improve brain function, and enhance immune response. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet is a smart choice for anyone looking to boost their well-being. When it comes to preparing fatty fish, the options are endless. You can grill salmon with a sprinkle of lemon and herbs for a simple yet flavorful dish. Alternatively, try baking mackerel with a glaze of soy sauce and honey for a sweet and savory twist. For a quick meal, consider adding canned salmon to salads or pasta. By making fatty fish a regular part of your diet, you're taking a delicious step toward better health. Nuts and seeds. Incorporating nuts and seeds into your diet can offer a wealth of health benefits, particularly in the fight against cancer. These small powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to overall wellness. The omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts, for example, have been linked to reduced inflammation and may help inhibit cancer cell growth. Flax seeds are another excellent choice, rich in lignans and antioxidants that support hormonal balance and cellular health. Adding nuts and seeds to your meals is both easy and delicious. You can sprinkle walnuts over your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a satisfying crunch. Flax seeds can be blended into smoothies or added to baked goods like muffins and bread for an extra nutrient boost. For a quick snack, try a handful of mixed nuts or a homemade trail mix with seeds and dried fruit. By making nuts and seeds a regular part of your diet, you're not only enhancing flavor, but also taking proactive steps towards better health. Turmeric. Turmeric is a vibrant spice that has gained attention for its remarkable cancer-fighting properties, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. Research suggests that curcumin may help reduce tumor growth and inhibit the spread of cancer cells by targeting various molecular pathways involved in inflammation and cell proliferation. This makes turmeric a valuable addition to any health-conscious diet. Incorporating turmeric into your cooking is both simple and flavorful. You can add it to curries, soups, or stews for a warm, earthy flavor. Turmeric also works well in smoothies or golden milk, a soothing drink made with milk and spices. To maximize the benefits of curcumin, it's essential to pair turmeric with black pepper. The piperine in black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%, making it even more effective. By adding turmeric and black pepper to your meals, you're not only elevating your dishes, but also taking a proactive step toward better health and cancer prevention. Garlic. Garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It also boasts impressive health benefits, particularly in cancer prevention. Rich in sulfur-containing compounds, garlic has been shown to enhance immune function, helping the body fend off diseases more effectively. These compounds may also play a role in reducing the risk of certain cancers, including stomach and colorectal cancers, by promoting detoxification and inhibiting tumor growth. Incorporating garlic into your everyday cooking is easy and delicious. You can add minced or chopped garlic to sautéed vegetables, marinades, or sauces for an aromatic boost. Roasting garlic brings out its natural sweetness, making it a perfect spread for bread or a flavorful addition to mashed potatoes. For those who enjoy a kick, try adding raw garlic to salad dressings or dips like hummus. By making garlic a staple in your kitchen, you're not only enhancing the flavor of your dishes, but also taking a proactive step toward better health and cancer prevention. In summary, the journey through cancer-killing foods has highlighted the vital role that a healthy diet plays in cancer prevention. From the powerful antioxidants in berries to the anti-inflammatory properties of fatty fish and the immune-boosting benefits of garlic, each food discussed offers unique advantages that can help combat cancer. Incorporating cruciferous vegetables and nutrient-dense nuts and seeds further enhances your diet, providing essential nutrients that support overall health. We encourage you to make these foods a regular part of your daily meals. Simple changes like adding turmeric to your cooking or enjoying a handful of walnuts as a snack can make a significant difference in your health journey. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family. Together, we can spread awareness about the importance of nutrition in cancer prevention and empower others to take charge of their health. Thank you for watching.